Check it out. I just bought this 2017 Ford Police Interceptor utility. She was a former police patrol vehicle. Let's find out, what did it come with? Let's investigate and find out, what department did she come from? Let's fully search her and see what was left behind. Can we find a biscuit? Let's find out. Let's go. The Ford Explorer Police Interceptor utility. The all-wheel drive purpose-built SUV for police by police. Check it out. We have wheel-in ions on the mirror beams. We have a Unity LED spotlight on both sides, and we also have a wheel-in ion on this side as well. We are gonna test these lights out here in just a bit, and if you look right over here, we have some wheel-in ion V-series. Pretty freaking sick. And right under here we have a siren speaker. We are missing the push bar, but the brackets are still there. Oh, and yeah, there are the wheel-in V-series here as well. Ooh, and check it out. They got the metal underguard thing. That is sick. They are not playing. And we have Goodyear RSA Police Edition wheels, and there is plenty of thread on there. Oh, and check it out. We have the plastic window bars in the back. And if you look really closely, we have some hideaways. And there's another hideaway on the other side. And oh, why didn't I see this before? We have wheel-in ions in the back. We're gonna test those out as well. Like I mentioned, we are gonna investigate and find out what police department this is, because there's a shield right there, and if you look really closely, you can faintly see police written on the side. All right, let's take a quick look inside. Oh yeah. Oh, this is very nice. I love this all black interior. Check it out. We have a Troy center console with a touch master on here. The Unitro. That's crazy. This is a 2017 with a classic touch master. How cool is that? Unfortunately, none of this stuff works at all, but I am going to remove this and try to reconnect all this stuff and get it to work. And we have a Code 3 narrow stick. Cool. We got the Federal Signal mic. It's magnetic. All right, I'm gonna start my search from the front and work my way to the back. Instant coffee. Oh, this seat is gonna need to be replaced, so we're gonna have to make a trip to the junkyard. All right, let's take a look under the seat. Oh, of course, it wouldn't be an old cop car without the classic chewing tobacco. Chewbacco. It's empty, of course.
I don't think I need to quit smoking and start chewing.
All right, let's see if this... Oh, yeah, this thing is stuck. It is stuck. I wonder if it works still. Oh, it works. Nice. And I noticed that this is missing the flange. Look, there's these wires sticking out of here. This is weird. Check out the interior. Sick. Oh, we got our first clue. Junior officer, Citrus Heights. Oh, this car is giving me a lot of Citrus Heights vibes. Go ahead and take a look on the other side. All right, let's take a look. Yep, just like I suspected, Citrus Heights Police. They always have these little maps.
And let me show Rick.
Oh, not again. Not again. Oh, look, I left the light on. Turn it off. Tried to. Oh, he ruined it. Okay, before it gets dark, I'm gonna go ahead and open all this up and look to see if I can get all this working. I'm super juiced. I wonder what this button does. Yeah, let's get to it. So I started an investigation to find out why the siren was dead. I did some groundwork and found some snipped wires, some missing or blown fuses. And after all those repairs, I concluded that those were the culprits. Okay, I put it all back together. I changed some of the faceplates so you don't have to see all the car spaghetti guts. Oh, and also, when I was fixing the siren controller, I noticed a speaker inside of the center console, which was probably for the police radio. There was also a microphone adapter in there. The seat ejector button led to nowhere, unfortunately. And now is the moment of truth. So that's a good sign. Oh, that's on too. All right, let's go check it out. All right, let's see. Oh shit. Oh shit. No freaking way. Hell yeah. The headlight flashers. Oh look. Oh, and it's freaking alternating. I love it. Oh shit. No way. Oh my gosh. Hell yeah. Look at that. All right, let's demonstrate some of these sounds. Whale. All right, so what'd you find out?
That has a horn ring.
Oh, shit. That is sick. Let's go. Go ahead. Let's see this thing in action. Stick to the end of the video. I'll tell you guys how much I paid for her. All right, let's take a look. We got some sort of little light. Could be sound off, not sure. This is insanely bright. I need some shades. Funny how all these cars come with this. So it's a switch to turn off the passenger airbag on and off manually, I guess. Please be a biscuit. Ugh. The keyhole right here. Still doesn't open it. Probably get in there. Oh yeah. Nope, didn't work. All right, so I got a bunch of fleet keys. One of them's got to give. Got it. Ew. Oh, Citrus Heights Most Wanted. I swear I've seen this woman before. Wanted for probation violation? Really? That'll get you to the Citrus Heights Most Wanted? It's a dome light. It's another one of those. Ooh. Is this what I think it is? I think we have the shield. All right, let's open this. Dude. No way. This is the official shield. Hell yeah. Let's put it on real quick. Okay, there it is. No freaking way. Hell yeah. There we go. Now we can go fight some crime. Yeah, stick to the end of the video. I am so gonna go fight some crime with this thing. All right, let's take a look under the seat. Oh yeah, I know exactly what this is. Zip tie, handcuffs, cheap and disposable, a must-have. Biscuit? No biscuit. Yeah, it looks like a domestic violence resource paper kit. Okay, funny man. Show me where he touched you. Oh, so he touched your little worm. Banana. Oh, your banana. Bro, leave his banana alone. Poor funny man. He probably suffers a lot. Oh, check it out. Ballistic panels. This car is bulletproof. How freaking cool is that? These doors are extremely heavy. Ooh, what is this? Just a tiny little camera. Wow. I bet you this is like super high def. We gotta test this out somehow. Put it in a computer or something. Oh yeah, you know what? Security boy just mentioned something. This is for spying. You put this in your little shirt, like in your little buttons. All right, let's take a look in the back. What? COVID cavi wipes. What's this? Okay, so if you look right over there. So here is the other side. It's off for some reason. All right, let's put that to the side. Mobile power. What the hell? Some sort of bracket. Freaking tennis ball. Where's Chase when you need him? Hey, that was for Chase. I wonder if these are bulletproof. They're not as heavy, so I doubt it. Yeah, I guess we could test it, but then we would have holes in our police car. This is pretty nice. I actually kind of like this. I wouldn't put it in my car, but I do like it. What is this? Omron. Some type of medical device. Ooh. Sounds like it's broken. Code 3 siren speaker. And the bracket to go with it. Nice. I'm so glad they left the seat, but I need to find the bolts for it. I'm gonna have to put the proper seatbelts on this thing. So this is what goes here. So there's no gap in between. All right, let's go ahead and remove this plastic window bar. That's interesting. These are actually different sizes. Let's open the trunk. Hopefully there's a lot of junk in the trunk. Oh. The gun rack. I know exactly where this goes. This actually hooks up to the partitioner. Pretty good shape actually. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, I didn't even notice that. Keep coming across nice little surprises. All right, hit it, Tony. Go for it, Junior. Hell yeah. Look at that. That is freaking sick. M-Star fuse panel. Nice. Control swabs. What? Citrus Heights property and evidence. Don't ever get yourself this kind of security boy. It's an insecurity boy. You're not even wearing your vest.
Nope.
What kind of security boy are you?
My day off.
You're working right now. It's not your day off. Oh, you can learn a lot from this book, like the difference between a freeway and a highway. This guy don't know the difference between a peanut and a pistachio. Are you a girl or a boy? What's the fair market value? Buttons? It's uniform buttons, I think. Let's see. To weatherproof the wiring of the light bar. Ooh, look. Evidence, a print duster. I'm gonna use this to detail this whole car. I should be wearing these, but then my voice would sound muffled. And chain of custody, Sacramento County Lab. Integrity sealed to be opened by authorized personnel only. And it's got mold. I'm not authorized personnel, so I can't open it. What's in here? Should I open it? So I ended up opening it up, and it turns out that it's actually a DNA collector kit. It came with instructions, an evidence seal sticker, and an envelope to mail it in. Pretty freaking cool. All right. Nothing in. What the hell? Oh, let's actually pull this out. We can pull this out. We have a full spare. Oh, it is. And oh, that's just a little rock. What do we have here? A really dirty 12 gauge. I think it's birdshot maybe. But we're gonna go ahead and just put the goodies in there. Got some candy canes. Let's move this out of the way actually. And oh, well. What is this? Fiocchi 12 Italy. This looks very interesting. I don't know what kind of shot this is. This looks like shards in there. I think this might be like a door busting shell. I don't know. Should we put this to the test? Is it gonna mess up my shotty? Let's clean it up and test it out. So this is a frangible breaching round used by SWAT to destroy the door's locking mechanism. We're gonna put this thing to the test, but first, let's finish searching the vehicle. Let's put it in there for now. Let's get that out of the way. What? Heroin opiates test. And it's open. Oh, there's heroin in there. Oh, look. There's a lighter right there.
Let me see if it works.
Yeah, just that. Nope.
Oh, it works. I don't know.
One small
There
flame. One flame. That flame right there.
Oh, rip my glove.
That flame right there could destroy the world. Marker chalk. Some pennies. This looks like a handcuff key thingy. Let's remove this. Nope. Nope. More monies, more drug kits. All right, so before I sell it, I am gonna have to remove these illegal lights, and I'm gonna have to order and replace them with legalized amber or white lights. All right, so Ford has made it a lot easier. All we gotta do now is unplug it. There's a plug right there. No more hard wiring. This is so much easier. Yep, here they are. Red and blue split. Okay, I gotta legalize these lights and these lights right here. Those and those right there, of course. Basically all of them. All right, let's start this bad girl up. Damn, that thing is lit up like a Christmas tree. Ooh, AC works good. Let's turn it off for now though. 112,000 miles. Let's take a look under the hood. Oh, the 3.7 liter V6. Sounds good. We got a brand new battery, even though that is the wrong battery. It's clean, dirty, but clean. That's different. The freaking horn is right here. All right, we're gonna take this thing out for a spin. All right, so far so good. This car is driving super smooth. We do have a check engine light, so we're gonna be testing that out here as soon as we get back. We're gonna do 0 to 60 Ready, steady, go. Oh, all right. So I ended up paying about $3,500 for this bad girl after all the auction fees and everything. It was a risky buy because, you know, anything goes with these old police cars. But lucky for me, she's running like a champ. So we ran the OBD reader and it gave us back code P0420, which is the bad catalytic converter. But lucky for me, I have spare cars here, so I'm just going to swap it out. Alright, so let's head over to the shooting range and test out that ammo. You know, crazy thing is, nobody knows whose U-Haul this is and how it ended up here. We tried to report it to the police and they won't even come because it's in private property. It's crazy. Yo, there's somebody over there. Alright guys, we're here at the District 76 shooting range. I'm having Duffus here shoot off this. This is like a round that the SWAT team would use to bust down doors. Unfortunately, I don't have a door here to bust down, but we're gonna shoot it off to that water jug right there and see what it does. When you're ready. Nice, nice. All right, let's go check out the damage. Oh, look at this thing. It's like spilling out from every angle. It's like shards meant to destroy a door. Let's go ahead and shoot off the other bird shot, I believe it was. I got my taser, I got my cruiser. I'm ready to go fight crime. Let's see. So that guy over there is not wearing his proper gear, but that's just a violation, not a crime. This guy over here is pretending to be injured to collect an insurance payout. I can't prove that, so I'm gonna put that on cue. That guy might be stealing gas, but could be his own can. Oh, I think I spotted a criminal. Looks like she might be committing a crime. Excuse me, ma'am. What are you doing? You're making a shelter? Yeah. Do you have a permit for this? A permit. Do you have a permit?
Are you supposed to have one?
When somebody drives by, they could see this shelter and it's gonna be a nuisance for people driving by. So I don't think this is necessarily legal.
That I had, so why are you a cop?
Yes, I'm a District 76 police officer and I'm investigating crimes happening here in District 76. Yep. Okay, well, unfortunately, that is illegal. You're under arrest. I'm gonna have to, because that's a crime. Walk towards my cruiser. You're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used against you in the court of law. Do you understand? Yeah, so she's going to be spending the night in jail. Hopefully she's going to think about the crime that she has committed and hopefully she'll think twice before committing another crime.